Tools industry is continually evolving with innovative solutions that will bring your craftsmanship to a whole new level. From high-tech power tools to handheld precision instruments, there are tools that can help you make your work more efficient, accurate, and enjoyable. So in today's video, we will show you the top 7 amazing next-level tools you must have. The old-fashioned way of measuring distances seems rather difficult. You better go with the RollPilot X12 rangefinder. This nifty device is a roller distance meter that can accurately measure distances of up to 99999.9 meters, and it's perfect for any type of terrain, whether it's straight, curvy, or hilly. Not only does it have a sturdy construction and rugged wheel to withstand any weather condition, but it also conveniently folds up into a compact size when not in use. This means you can carry it wherever you want in its own bag. The best part of this tool is its operating method. You don't need to be an expert to measure, thanks to its simple and intuitive controls. Imagine having big power at your fingertips in a compact design. With the Skil PWRCORE Detail Sander Kit, you can work overhead or in hard-to-reach areas with ease. Its digital brushless motor delivers compact and lightweight power, giving you up to 12,000 OPM for fast removal. This kit comes with an integrated dust box that has a compact and transparent design, improving balance, visibility, and maneuverability. And you can easily clean out the dust box with the tool-free emptying feature. Experience comfortable and confident handling with the soft overmold that provides a comfortable ergonomic grip. And with the PWRCORE 12 lithium battery technology, each cell is wrapped with cooling material, resulting in a 25% longer runtime and 2 times more battery life. Do you ever find yourself struggling to reach high ceilings or awkwardly crouching down to paint low surfaces on your deck? Fear not, for Wagner has come to the rescue with their HVLP extension arm. This incredible tool makes even the hardest to reach areas a breeze to paint, taking the hassle out of your spraying projects. Compatible with all Wagner high-volume, low-pressure sprayers, this extension arm extends up to an impressive 23.6 inches in length, allowing you to tackle a wide range of jobs with minimal effort and zero hand strain. No more teetering on ladders or bending and stooping while painting. With Wagner's HVLP extension arm, you'll have the freedom to effortlessly spray paint in even the most challenging areas, making your painting projects a joy to do. Meet the GE01 power cutter from Makita, the ultimate cutting machine. This bad boy is a true game changer in the cutting game, bringing all the power of a 75.6cc gas cutter without any of the gas-related hassles. No more pulling your hair out over stubborn starting or dealing with harmful fumes and emissions. But that's not all. This tool is also built with an integrated anti-vibration design that reduces up to 50% of vibration when cutting. And with a cutting depth of up to 5 inches, this power cutter can handle even the bulkiest pipes with ease, without the need for repeat cuts. This cutter is also equipped with all aluminum wheels that take the hard work out of cutting through dense materials. Say goodbye to exhausting manual labor and hello to effortless cutting. Now, here's something every professional and DIYer will love to have. This Hilti SFE 2A12 is a versatile yet powerful drill that can go those places where an ordinary drill can't. This multi-head drill driver allows you to tackle a wide variety of tightening or loosening tasks, making you an all-rounder in the workshop. It's a perfect choice for those who have to deal with different screwing tasks around their job site. The best part worth mentioning, this SFE 2A12 comes with multiple drill bits, which helps you to make different holes for different purposes. You no longer have to worry about drilling now. Painting can be a daunting task, especially when it comes to lacquer and varnish projects. But fear not, because the Bosch EasySpray is here to make your painting experience as easy as pie. This cordless spraying system is so intuitive and easy to use that you'll feel like a superhero wielding a paint gun. And with its lightweight and ergonomic design, you won't even break a sweat. The Easy Select Paint Volume Control allows you to adjust the spray pattern to fit your needs, so you can achieve the perfect horizontal, vertical, or round spray pattern every time. Say goodbye to those boring roller paintings and hello to a world of exciting and precise painting with the Bosch EasySpray. Get ready to slice through your toughest woodworking projects with the Milwaukee Plunge track saw. This bad boy is built for carpenters and remodelers who demand top-of-the-line performance. With a heavy-duty steel blade, it can take on even the thickest woods, and thanks to its power-state brushless motor, you'll be cutting at lightning-fast speeds, up to 6,300 RPM with ease. And the variable speed trigger lets you adjust your cutting speed to achieve the most precise results possible. Plus, with the red lithium battery, you can make more cuts than ever before. Not to mention, the RedLink Plus intelligence ensures that your saw is always performing at its best, protecting it from overheating and over-discharging. So let's get cutting. So that was our list of the top 7 amazing next-level tools you must have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.